Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Philips Hue with Hue Bridge for lights and scenes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Philips Hue Bridge and lights from the box. Place the Hue Bridge in a central location within your home for optimal connectivity. Connect the Hue Bridge to your Wi-Fi router using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter to the Hue Bridge and switch it on. Wait for the three lights on the front of the Hue Bridge to illuminate. Next, take your Philips Hue lights and install them in the desired fixtures. Make sure the lights are powered on. Download the Philips Hue app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Philips Hue app and create an account or log in if you already have one. When prompted, tap on Setup to begin the activation process. Select Bridge from the setup options in the app. The app will search for your Hue Bridge. Once the app discovers the Hue Bridge, it will display a message indicating the connection. Press the button on the top of the Hue Bridge to confirm the pairing. After a moment, the app should confirm that the Hue Bridge is successfully connected. Now, tap on Lights in the app to add your installed bulbs. Choose Add Light. The app will search for available lights. This may take a few moments. Once the app finds your lights, tap on Add to include them in your setup. You can name your lights to make them easier to identify later. Next, navigate to the Scenes section within the app. Choose a pre-existing scene or create a new one by selecting Create New Scene. Once satisfied, save the scene for future use. You can now control your lights directly from the app. Explore additional features like routines and automation for enhanced functionality. Your Philips Hue system is now fully activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.